The joystick was originally created by NASA for the lunar module. It was originally called the Rotational Hand Controller, also referred to as the RHC. The RHC was used to land the lunar module on the moon and launch off the moon. In 1996, Thrustmaster contracted with NASA to release a modified rotational hand controller as a joystick, which was ahead of all other game controllers in its industry. Thrustmaster's controllers were released in 1997. The market for these joysticks soared due to the fact that these controls were based off real military controls. Individuals today still use these technologies when playing flight simulators with joysticks that are made by various companies such as Logitech,